State asida lo kaina changlakpa mioi singna mahausa gi changdagi hendokna missing hengalakpadagi kunai amadi Leingaklon da Chaona Akeeba mo Oirakle haina Indigenous Peoples Forum Manipur IPFM gi President Ashang Kasar na nungnangba fongdokrei. New Delhi da leiba Press Club of India gi Conference Hall da pangthokiba pau gi mifam amada Ashang Kasar na hai mahausaga manadana missing ka hena hengalakpagi chaithing asi ngasimak Juribam district da masak thokna uba fangli. District asida kumza lising amaga chamapan yangkai mathoi amasung lising ani ga tara mathoi gi marakta missing chada marifuga dasmik ani gi changda hengalakhi haibasi chapchan uba fangle hena ngakliba di state asida kumza lising amaga chamapan humfu mapan dagi inglising ani ga amma fawbada mahausaga madana na khul masing khangin hengalakpa asini Manipur na India da tinkraba matung da state asina haukiba chahi kunthrarom asida missing chada kunthra gi mathakde hengalaktu na lakli Englishing ani amadagi taram Englishing ani ga taram mathoi fawda missing hengalakpagi chang asi chada kungamari dasmik manga oiki matau asum na state asida decade amari missing chada ni funi thoi gi chang da hengalakpa asi mahausa ga chana da matawni state asigi yel homina tabasing na khundaba kangpopi amasung churachanpura anoba khulkaya masing khangdana thorakpa asini Maramaduna asing mafibam asina yel homi singi tungi punsi kari oirakani haibada Akeeba fawi kunai asida chauba akaiba mapirakpada natana Leingaklon da su chauna singnaba ma oirakliba mising ka hena hengalakliba asi matam chana yingsil haudravadi ka hena awaba fibam ama lakani haina Ashang Kasar na nungnangba fongdoke
So it is the same voice of the native people of Manipur to implement NRC in the near future. A grave threat has arisen to the indigenous population of Manipur from a wave of illegal immigrants. Illegal immigrants from Myanmar and Bangladesh frequently enter Manipur via porous borders using National Highway number 2 and 37. The use of fake documents to facilitate entry has become a common and easy practice. The impact of this migration is particularly evident in areas like Jiribam districts, Kampopi districts, Tengnopal districts, and so on, where the population surged by 80.22% between 1951 and 2011.